I feel truly honoured to be in the Target Jobs Undergraduate of the Year competition, especially to get to the top 10, due to the fact that throughout my academic life I have struggled with dyslexia and dyspraxia, and to know that I've been recognised for my achievements and my abilities is truly an honour. It's brilliant that Rolls-Royce is sponsoring the competition. As a direct result of me entering, I've been able to secure an internship in manufacturing engineering over summer. Manchester Met has helped me immensely in my achievements. They've given me such support and encouragement throughout the entire process, from checking my answers on my application to making sure I don't lose hope during the recruitment process. I enjoy studying at Manchester Met because of the variety of resources available to us whenever we need. And with the constant support of the lecturers, it makes for a very supportive and relaxed atmosphere. In the future at Manchester Met, I hope to be able to build on top of my personal development to develop stronger traits that will be well used in the workplace.